To post every day, you don't need to create every day. And if you ever felt overwhelmed when trying to build your personal brand, then this video is for you. We help hundreds of founders and coaches grow their personal brand to hundreds of thousands of followers and scale their business with organic content. And if there's one thing that we learned, is that time is the biggest problem that every entrepreneur has when it comes to content. That's why we developed a clear system that uses the power of AI to be able to create an entire month of content in just a few hours. And in this video, I'm going to break down this content system and share with you the entire software stack we use and all the prompts and all the documents we created to turn AI into your personal content consult. So let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start by showing you step by step the entire process from the moment of finding a content idea all the way to having a script ready to be posted, also with the right setup for the right video. Okay, so it's going to be a super in-depth guide and we're gonna use AI for the entire process. Okay, the first thing that I want to tell you is I'm gonna guide you through everything, but if at any point you see that you really like the strategy and you want to remove all the guesswork and you just want me to help you do it together, you're gonna find a link in the description of this video where you're gonna have the possibility to apply to work with us. With that being said, let's get straight into the first step, which is how do you actually find good content ideas. Okay, so we have a Notion template, and everything that you see here, you're gonna have access in the description of this video. The first thing that I want you to do is actually do market research, because a lot of people don't realize this, but you're trying to enter a market and you're trying to successfully grow your audience and get leads from there. The thing about social media is that you already have hundreds of personal brands out there doing it successfully. So one of the dumbest things that you could do as an entrepreneur is not doing market research around your niche. There are creators out there that have a very similar ICP to you that are already crushing it, okay? So the first step is finding these creators. And once you find these creators, which you're going to use tools like the search bar inside of Instagram, you're going to use tools like the search bar inside of TikTok, you're going to follow these accounts, and then the moment you follow them, you're gonna see other suggested accounts. Let's say, for example, you're in the fitness space. I'm sure you know at least 5 to 10 creators in the fitness space, right? Whenever you open your Instagram, your algorithm should be fully set up for your niche, okay? So if I go here, I'm in the content marketing, guess what I'm gonna see? Content marketing. You should see fitness creators. And whenever you see a video here, it means these creators are absolutely crushing it. And Instagram is actually recommending this video for you algorithmically wise, okay? So it's very fast to genuinely just find 10, 15 creators that you really like, okay? Once you found them, I want you to put them here in the inspo creators of our Notion template, okay? So it's super simple. I'm actually gonna do the example of how to create a video from scratch with one of our clients. He's called Cesare. He's in the fitness space. And what I would simply do is I would copy this right here. I would go into the name, paste it here, and then when he asks me to the URL, I'm gonna click here and paste it, okay? And I want you to do this until you have at least 10 to 15 creators in your niche. The more you have, the more ideas you can get from them, okay? So it's super important that you don't just try to do this as quickly as possible. No, take your time and find 10 to 15 creators that you actually like, right? You see their content and I'm like, okay, I would like to be someone like them, okay? So this is the first step. Now, the moment where you found at least 10 to 15 creators, the magic begins. Because this is what I want you to do. I want you to click on these links, okay? And it's gonna open, for example, the Cesare page, okay? Now, I need you to install this Chrome extension, which is called StoreFeed. It's gonna run you around like $100 a year, something like that. Trust me, it's worth it, okay? You're gonna see in action exactly how we use it. As I was saying before, we have data out there, okay? We can extract exactly what these creators are already doing successfully. So we're doing market research and we're making these creators do the hard work for us, okay? This guy posted 1,500 posts. Let me see what's working for him. So I don't have to post 1,500 posts. I can directly take the best performer and create my own version of it, okay? This is being smart. Let's just put latest 100 items. I usually go to 50 or 100 items, which simply means I'm going to select the latest 100 videos that he posted, and I'm gonna click on views. And now StoreFeed is going to do this analysis for me, and it's gonna go through the latest 100 videos that Cesare posted, and reorganize them based on virality, based on success. As you can see, this has been done. Cesare, one of our clients, is absolutely crushing it. He recently had this video with 13.8 million views. So it would be stupid for me not to take this video and create my own version of it, okay? So let's start by watching 1 second video together, okay?
coffee, you're in the top 50%. If you add a pinch of salt to it, now you're replacing the sodium that you lost overnight. Top 40%. If you add electrolytes, now you're supporting hydration, energy, and brain function. Top 30%. If you add a spoon of apple cider vinegar, now you're supporting digestion and regulating blood sugar. Top 10%.
I'm sure you guys can understand the structure of this video, okay? I want you to look at this video, and whenever you find a successful video, you should spend like 2-3 minutes analyzing and watching yourself, because this is your personal brand. And you should not take an idea that you don't resonate with, that you don't like the format of it. So it's like, I really like this content. I'm going to take it. I'm going to create my own version of it in a super original way, and I'm going to show you in a second. But it's very important that a lot of people just, scrape through these videos and then it's like, oh, it's viral, I'm just going to create it. Is it actually serving your personal brand? Is it actually serving your business? Does this talk to your ICP? You got to think this stuff, because the moment we start putting out these videos, that's the people that you're going to attract, okay? So you can check the comments. You can see what kind of people interact with this. I see, people with blue check marks, okay? So that's good, because it means that these are potential people with a bit of money to invest in a blue check mark, so they might also be able to invest in my service, okay? But spend your time in analyzing the kind of audience that this video is bringing this creator, and understand, is this something that also resonates with me that I want to bring into my personal brand? If the answer is yes, then I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to take this idea and create your own version of it by maintaining exactly the things that made it viral, but while still making it unique. For this, we're going to use Poppy AI. Poppy AI is a software that we use to do all of our scripting. We love it. We use it every single day. Our clients use it every single day. And as always, guys, you're going to find all the links in the description, so don't worry. This is exactly how we use Poppy. We trained it with our exact CCC viral scripting framework. This is the same framework that allowed us to get 500 million views on Instagram through educational content. It has been proven to work, trust me. Together, we link it with our knowledge base. This could be literally everything. Your YouTube videos, if you wrote a book, put a book in here. It could be your Instagram reels, okay? You simply want to give it access to the CCC viral scripting framework, so you know exactly how to write a viral script, and then your knowledge base, so it actually knows how you're talking, okay? What is your tone of voice, etc. This is super, super simple, okay? And I'm gonna give you all the prompts that you need to put in the description, so it works exactly this way. We're gonna go in here. We're gonna take this video. We're gonna Control-C or Command-C, and then Command-V. So copy and paste. And we're going to wait for a second for it to upload here on the Poppy board. Okay, so it just finished uploading. I'm going to give it a title. This is very important. Let's just call it Top 1%. And then we're going to click here, and we're going to link this to our board. And now I have all the prompt for you here, and we're going to go in order. So we're going to put let's work on, and the title of the video that we just put. So let's work on, and just put Top 1%. And let's press enter. What Poppy is going to do is, based on our exact framework, is going to analyze step by step exactly what made the video work through our exact structure that we used to get more than 500 million views on Instagram, okay? So these are all the terms that we use: hook, selling the solution, give it the principle, making it applicable, call to action. It's going to exactly extract the structure that made it work, okay? Think how powerful this is, right? Like, it's literally analyzing for us what made it work, and then it's going to ask us 3 specific questions, okay? 3 to 4 specific questions. And it's going to be, now, before I rewrite this for you, do you want to keep the hydration morning routine topic? If changing the topic, what progression do you want to teach? Question 3, do you have the ability to demonstrate physically? Okay, it can actually see that Cesar was doing that. So it's going to ask you these things to make sure that you can match the virality of it. And then your CTA preference. Do you want to keep simple, follow for more? Do you want to add your, signature follow action, for example, if it sees it from your tone of voice, and so on, okay? So it's actually going to ask you the right question to extrapolate the structure of this video, but make it unique to you, okay? So let's do this together. I'm going to answer this question. I want to maintain the same exact structure, but instead of hydration, I want to do it for breakfast meal, maintaining the same percentage. That's why you have to watch these videos. Like, do not use this Poppy board and then it's like you don't even know what's going on in the original video. You need to have a deep understanding of that, of course. Yes, I can show the actions on camera. And for example, let's see, I want to use comment this word type of CTA where I send them my best 25 meals for breakfast. Okay, so you can actually also tell it how you want to tweak the CTA, okay? So you can actually, for example, get leads for your business, okay? And I'm simply gonna press enter. Now, what it's going to do for me is going to match the original exact structure of Cesare's videos. Like, by the way, got him 14 million views, okay? But with a completely different topic that I just came up with. I'm taking structures that got 40 million views, but now it's a completely original idea. You see how powerful this is? You're not trying to guess. You're not trying to, oh, okay, let me think how I can put these thoughts together. Let me see if I can come up with something good. No, you're leveraging structures that have been proven to get millions and millions and millions of views, but with a topic that makes you unique. Okay, so let's read it together. If you eat breakfast in the morning, you're in the top 50%. If you add protein to it, now you're fueling muscle recovery and staying full longer, top 40%. If you add healthy fats, now you're supporting hormone production, brain function, and sustained energy, top 30%. If you add fiber, now you're supporting digestion, blood sugar stability, and gut health, top 10%. And if you time it within an hour of waking up, you're kickstarting your metabolism and setting your energy for the entire day. And guess what? You're now in the top 1%. No fat diets, no magic shakes, just simple nutrition that actually works. And for Nutrition Simplified, just come in breakfast and I'll send you my best 25 breakfast meals. I mean, it's a script ready to go. Like, you see how powerful this is? Like, this got 50 million views. And now I have the same exact structure that brought Cesare dad. And by the way, thousands and thousands of leads for his business. And now he can take that and use it for a topic that makes me unique, right? Like, this is how you're supposed to script content. And imagine, I just did it for one video. Just Cesare alone has like hundreds of viral videos, and you go back to your list, and here you should have at least other 9 to 14 other creators. And you do this weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and you keep on scraping, and you're making your competitors do the guesswork for you. You just take what has been proven to work already. You've seen how simple it is to create a script, a viral script this way. I give you the full framework. You got all the prompts, all the software in the caption. Now it's time to record. How do you actually, I mean, look at Cesare. Like, he has a nice setup, nice lighting, nice everything. I don't have this. I don't know how to set it up. What should I do? Okay. Don't worry, because that's also where we use AI for us and our clients to build the perfect setup for us, okay? So we prepared for you a custom GPT called the CCC set generator that would allow you to exactly tell it what kind of equipment you have and just uploading a few photos of your space. And just like that, ChatGPT is going to tell you exactly how to set up the perfect setup for your camera, for your videos, so you can go and get results like Cesare. Okay, so let me show you exactly how that works. It's super, super simple. We have this prompt where we say, I uploaded the photos of my space and then list of the equipments I have. And look, even if you have the new iPhone, an older iPhone, it doesn't matter. Just say what you have and it's gonna build a perfect setup for you, okay? So let me go here in ChatGPT. Let me paste simply this prompt, and then I'm just gonna go here and upload a few pictures of my space that I have upstairs, okay? I'm just gonna press return now, enter. ChatGPT is analyzing the images and it's coming up exactly with how am I supposed to put this gear in place to get the best results as possible, okay? Your room is excellent for depth and natural separation, but it needs control orientation so the window works for you instead of against you. Because like, for context, we have a ton of windows upstairs, so we gotta make sure that we're using them correctly. It's going to give me the setup summary, and it's going to tell me the exact positioning of the subject, of the camera, and then exactly how to use every single piece of lighting. So the key light, this is the angle, this is the height, this is the distance from the subject, the secondary lights, right? It's gonna literally tell me exactly how am I supposed to place each light that I have to optimize this setup. And this ChatGPT is trained on our exact knowledge in building all of our setups for us and our clients that got millions and millions of views, okay? So it's literally doing the homework for you, even the microphone, the background, everything, and then it's also giving you the final checklist to make sure that we're good to go for the recording. And if you want to know exactly how that will look like at the end with your exact background, you can simply say, now generate for me an image of the final shot result. And just like that, ChatGPT is going to be able to put all this together that it created for you and give an exact image of some sort of like how that will look like when it's fully set up. So you can already imagine in your mind what your audience will see before you even create it. And there you go. I mean, this guy doesn't really look like me, but you can get the concept, okay? And by the way, did it horizontally, you can then ask it to do it vertically, but just look at how accurate the background is. Like, this is just crazy. Like, look at this again. It's maintaining the same exact background, so I can genuinely imagine the color that I gave it, everything, so it can imagine exactly what I want, and I can already see how that will look like before I ever create it, okay? So I literally just gave you the roadmap. And from the moment you find these ideas, how you use AI to write ready-to-use viral scripts for your personal brand. And not only that, how you can then use our custom GPT to create your setup in seconds. So you have the whole roadmap. All the links and the softwares you need are in the link in the description. And as I said at the beginning of the video, if you want to do this together, hand in hand, and me guiding you and building the systems for you and working on your personal brand together on a one-on-one level, you will find also a link in the description to book a call with me and see if we're a good fit to work together. And with that being said, if you liked this video and you enjoyed it, please subscribe, because we have so many more videos to create and show you all the behind the scenes of the most successful personal brands out there.